Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafa Ekalia and my student ID number is 2231109 Study T Information System. Today I will explain about data collection technical. Definition of data collection. Data collection in the systematic process of obtaining information needed to answer a research problem or achieve the objective of the study. The collection data can be in the form of number, text, image, or sound, which is the analysis to generate valid and accountable findings. In the context of research, data collection is a critical step as the data server as the foundation for the analysis that will lead to consolation. There are two main types of data commonly collected in research. Number one, quantitative data. Data in the form of number that can be measured, such as survey result, quantity, frequencies of scales of measurement. Number two, quantitative data. Data in the form of description, such as opinions, perception, or insight gathered from interview, observation, or focus group discussion. The role of data collection in the research process. Data collection play a very critical role in the research process because the outcome of the research largely depends on the quality and validity of the collection of the research largely depends on the quality and validity of the collection data. Some important rules of data collection include: number one, answering research question. The collected data help to answer the research question or hypothesis that were posed at the beginning of the study. Number two, testing hypothesis. In qualitative research, data is used to test hypotheses and determine whether they can be accepted or rejected. Number three, supporting decision. Valid data allow research to make informed discussion based on the information both in academic and practical context. Number four, providing empirical evidence. The data collection provides strong objective evidence about the phenomenon by students, which is essential for building scientific knowledge. Number four, determining the quality of the research. The quality of data collection significantly impact the quality of the research outcomes. Invalid or inaccurate data can lead to erroneous or biased consolation. Category of data collection technical. Qualitative technical. Qualitative data collection technical are used to obtain in-depth and description information about the phenomenon being studied. That's approach focus more on understanding context, perception, experience, and interaction among individuals or groups. Some commonly used qualitative data collection technical are: number one, observation. Observation is a data collection technical that's involves directing, watching behavior or even occurring in a natural context. It can be conducted into words. Participant observation, where the research actively participant in the activity being observed to gain a deeper understanding. Non-participant observation, where the research observer without gain in the activity. The advent of observation is the improvised and contextual data, allowing research to understand behavior and even in the natural setting. However, it also has drawbacks such as observer bias and the difficulty in controlling variable which might affect the reliability of the data collection. Number 2, interview are data collection technical where the researcher asks question directly to respondent. Interview can be structured with predetermined question, semi-structured with a flexible weight, or unstructured, more open-ended, and free-flowing. The advantage of interview is they provide in-depth and personal information, giving research access to thoughts, feelings, and experience of respondents. However, they can be time-consuming and are dependent on the interview skill, as the quality of the data often relies on the interview ability to engage with the respondent and ask the right question. Number 3, focus group discussion, VGD. Group discussion, VGD, is a data collection technical that involves gathering a group of people to discussion a specific topic, governed by a moderator who ensures the discussion stay focused and in-depth. The advantage of FGD is that it generates rich data from multiple perspectives in the relatively short amount of time, offering a variety of options and insights on the topic. However, it also has its disadvantages, such as the potential for dramatic by certain participants, which might influence the group respondent, and the challenge of analysis complex data due to the first strengths of opinion and interaction that occur during this discussion. Comparison of data collection, the technicals, to provide a clear picture of the difference between data collection technicals such as observation, interview, questionnaire, and focus group discussion. Here is a comparison based on several important criteria. Number 1, time. Observation and interview typical requires more time. Observation involves direct observation over an extended period, while interview recruit team for interaction with respondents and the in-depth collection of data. Questionnaires as physical tools filled out by respondents themselves are the written technique. Seek respondent and complete the questionnaires independently in a short amount of time. Focus group discussion requires moderator time, usually taking 1 until 2 or for a discussion session. However, organize the group and analysis the discussion data can take longer. Number 2, cost. Observation and interview tend to be more expensive and they often involve travel expense, logical argument, and sometimes incentive for participants. Interview also require research for data processing and analysis. Questionnaires are the less expensive if using an online survey format. However, if questionnaires are conducted face-to-face or manually filled out, counts might be slightly bigger. FGD also tends to be more expensive than questionnaires because it involves logical costs for organizing participants, as well as costs for setting up the venue and sometimes providing incentive for participants. Number 3, depth of data. Interview provide very high depth data as they allow the researcher to gain depth insight into respondent experience, perspective, and emotion. The technical is highly useful for explorative and qualitative research. Observation allows yields that data, but it is more focused on the behavior and natural context of the observed phenomenon. It allows research to see interaction and social dynamics in their natural setting. Focus group discussion (VGD) providing rich data, specifically regarding group dynamic and shared view and the topic. However, since it is group-based, the data collection may include optimization of group dynamic. Questionnaires usually provide lower depth data, while this technical can gather data from many respondents. The question or often close to the opinion, translating more factual and less in-depth insight. Number 4, best student for observation is most suitable for students that require understanding behavior and context directly. This technical is ideal for field study, lexical, ethnographic research, or social research that requires a brief interaction in a natural setting. Interviews are best for research that aims to explore in-depth perspective from individuals. This technical in ideally used in a qualitative research that explore personal experience, emotion, and individual trauma. Questionnaires are ideal for quantitative research that requires the collection of relative amounts of data, such as measuring attitudes, opinions, or behavior in a large population. It is very efficient for collecting democracy or statistical data. For group discussion, VGD are best suited for exploratory research aimed at understanding group opinion or dynamic on a specific topic. VGDs are also useful for generating new ideas during the early stage of research. Tips for causing data collection technicals. Causing the right data collection technical is critical in research to ensure the quality and relevance of the data designed. Here are some factors that influence the selection of data collection technical. Number one factor including the choice of data collection technical. Research objective. The technical source are with the research objective to test, hypothesis, or measure variable. Use quantitative technical questionnaires, survey to understand in-depth experience. Use qualitative technical interview and observation. Type of data needed. Quantitative data request technicals like questionnaires of survey, while quantitative data requires interview, VGDs, or observation for more in-depth information. Research budget technicals like interview or VGDs, they tend to be more expensive, while questionnaires or online survey are more cost-effective. Team available. Technical recurring direct interaction, interview, and VGDs take more time, while questionnaires or survey are quicker to administer. Choosing the right technique for qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative research technical like interview, VGD, and observation are suitable for exploring experience or perspective in depth. Qualitative research technical like questionnaires, survey, or experience are appropriate for measuring or testing relationship between variables statically. Conclusion. Choosing the right data collection technical is a critical step in the research process, as the appropriate technical ensure that the data obtained is relevant and of high quality. Factors such as rates, objective, type of data needed, budget, and time should be carefully considered. Qualitative research typically requires technical that allow for in-depth understanding, such as interview, VGDs, or observation, while quantitative research is better suited to questionnaires, surveys, or experiment to measure or the test variable. The success of data collection depends on selecting technical that align with the research objective and recruitment with the right technical researcher and gather accurate data, making research finding more valid and valuable. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.